To pair your Redmi Watch 5 Lite with iPhone, you will need to begin with the watch itself. Click and hold the power button on the right side of the watch, then change the language. You can select whichever one you like, and after that you will see this QR code. You can scan it to download MI Fitness app instantly on your iPhone, or find it in the App Store alternatively. That's what I did. I found it on the App Store and pre-downloaded the app to make it faster. So now we can move to devices. Select add device, then it will search for your watch. You can select it right here, then click on OK, and it will transfer you to the Bluetooth settings. Now in the Bluetooth settings, wait till your watch is available in other devices and select it right here. Then click pair and also confirm it on the watch itself. Now that it's connected, we can go back to the app and click on our watch again. Then click pair again and confirm it on the watch as well. Don't forget to do that on the watch. And then now we need to click on allow on basically everything that will pop up. Resume. There's introduction. You can of course read through that, but I already did previously, so I'm skipping that. Now there's a widgets, everything else, and the watch is successfully connected with our iPhone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.